how to customize your workspace. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So customization of your Photoshop workspace has different ways. So first of all, I'm going to show you the way that you can simply customize the way that you want. So you can change this panel to one panel or two panel by clicking on over here or dragging it to the place where you want it should fit. Let's say it should fit over here, or it should again go and fit over here. You can change that, or you can change this panel or this panel or this panel or whatever panel you want. Second thing is that you can click these buttons, small buttons over here, and you can change the things that you don't want to show on your workshop. And the third thing is that you can go to the windows and turn off and turn on anything. Let's say I am going to turn on the modifier key. As I turn on the modifier key, now as I click over here, it will be able to show me my modifier key. These are my histories and all of my changes, and over here in this panel I will have all of my other products. So the third thing that you can do is you can go to these lines. There is essential, 3D, graphic, web, painting, photography. Let's say I'm going to just work with the photography, so I'm going to click on the photography. So it will take me to the photography layout in which the photographs are edited. Then if I want to go to the 3D, I want to edit a 3D, so I'm going to go to the 3D, and it will customize my workspace in a way that I can edit 3Ds now. But if I want to make a custom one, I can click on new workspaces, and as I click on new workspaces, I can also give it any keyboard shortcuts, give it any menus and all the things that I want, and I can save this right over here. This is how I can customize my Photoshop appearance. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.